Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Twin Magic. In this video we're going to show you an amazing car magic trick that you need a little practice for this. It's not self-working and it's that tricks that you have to practice for it, but it's definitely worth it because it's a very great trick, and be sure that you can fool anyone and nobody will know the secret of it. As always, let's see the performance first and then we will tutorial it. So, uh, as always, we start to shuffle the cards as many times as we want. Of course, we can use the spectator's deck of cards too. We tell the spectator to choose a card. And we can go like this, or yeah, they can say stop to us. This will be their card. It's random. Okay, and I will not see it, of course. I just show it to the camera. I hope that the camera get it. Okay. And now again we tell the spectator to say stop, or even in this part we can shuffle it too. That's no problem. Yeah, let's shuffle it. So okay, and now we tell the spectator to say stop. Maybe they will say here. It's not important again. Okay, and now we cut the cards. We can do a riffle shuffle too. It's not important. And now we do a far shuffle to make everything clear and fair. And these shuffles, the cards are mixed one by one, so the magician can do anything. Let's do it again. In this trick, you just need to shuffle the cards a lot, because let me choose it carefully to make everything clear and fair. Like this. Yeah, it was not great again, but we are now sure that everything is clear and fair and all the cards are mixed one by one. So after that, in this part, what we need to do is we just turn this deck of cards into 3 piles, like this. Even the magician can do it. Like the first pile, we put it right here. Second pile, that would be enough, and the third pile. So right now with the little spectators, do you want to each pile where? Yeah, I mean, do you want this pile and this pile? Where do you want any pile on the other piles? Sorry, but to think that you have got what we mean. So they will say this one on this one, and this one on this one. Yeah. So yeah, right now we make a cut. Again, right now, again, let me clear it again. Again, we tell them where do you want each pile where. So they will say this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So yeah, great. Right now, even we can do a riffle shuffle too. That's not important. Okay. Right now, we'll tell the spectator to pick a number between 20 and 40. They will say, I don't know, 25, because we want a short number and because the video we love the video to be short. So yeah, 1 2 3 4 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. The number is not important. Okay, yeah, maybe it is 32 right now. It's not important actually, just a number between 20 and to 40. Yeah, we do overhand shuffle too. Even we can do a full shuffle. Okay, this trick needs lots of shuffles, any kind of shuffles, to make everything clear and fair. This is so cool. And now again we tell the spectator to choose, this time they should choose a number between 10 to 20. Right now, for example, they will say 15. 15 is great. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. You don't need the rest of the pile, so we put it here. And again we do an overhand shuffle. Again we can do a riffle shuffle too. The cards are lost, so yeah, we cannot do a good riffle shuffle. So right now we turn it into 2 piles. Okay, we'll tell them pick a pile. For example, they will say this one. So we'll tell them to that we will remove this one and we need this one. And now we tell the spectator to choose a number again. This time it would be from 1 to 5. Yeah, 1 to 5. So they will say 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't need the rest of it, so we put it here again. Again, we do an overhand shuffle. Again, we can do it many times. You know, the cards are not very, the number of them are not very high. So, it's not very high. Sorry for the mistakes. So, right now, again, we will tell a number. They will say 2. So, 1, 2. And now we just have 2 cards. Okay, we can even shuffle them. That's not a problem. Yeah. Now we have 2 cards. So, you should just tell a number like 1. It's just 1. So they will say 1 and you will put the other card right here. And now we will think and we can tell your card. I will put my hand right here and I will just think about number what's here. I think it was black. It was 10 and the suit was black too. It was 10 of clubs. Well, let's see. Yeah, it is 10 of clubs. So was that cool, right? So yeah, it was so cool. We hope that you like it and enjoy it. Let's see the tutorial. So here's the tutorial. As always, we can do it with a normal deck of cards. We tell the spectator to choose a card any way that they want. Yeah, this should be their card. It is 10 of clubs. Again, 10 of clubs. Yeah, it was normal. It was not our choice. We tell them to say stop anywhere that they like. Maybe here. And we do a pinky break. What is pinky break? Actually, a pinky break is a break that we do to break from this pile and this pile with our pinky. Like this. The spectator will see something like this and our point of view is something like this. And we cut the cards as many times as we want. Like this. And now we control the spectator card to the top. Okay? So right now we do a flower shuffle. Actually, this part is the important part of this trick. So yeah, all of the cards, not all of the top cards should go one by one. This is so important. They should go one by one. Top cards. The top cards. Yeah. Look, the top cards are going one by one. The bottom cards are not important or the middle ones, but just the top cards are so important. Like this. Like this. Okay. And now when you make a bridge and when you let them go, when we got to the last card, we have to look at the first card like this, the top card. We should go slowly when we got to the top cards. And now we can easily see the spectator's card. It's 10 of clubs. And now it just some shuffles from now and they are just fake shuffles. Like, look, when we do a riffle shuffle like this, we release the top cards. Yeah, and now the spectator card is at the top of the deck still. So yeah, right now we make 3 piles. Like the first pile, actually, and this is so important that we have to always be careful where the spectator card is. Here is here and yeah, the third pile. Like right now the spectator card is at the left pile. So right now what we do, this part you should control the card again. When they say this pile on this pile, so and this pile on the spectator's card, we should not put it like this. We have to grab it, the pile that the spectator card is in, and put the rest of the pile on it, and again make a pinky break. If you will be luckily, and like it could, the spectator may say I want this pile on this pile. Then your work is so easy, and you just control to the top. You did nothing. But if the spectator told you should put this pile on this pile where the spectator card is, you should again make a pinky break like this. And cut the cards. Again, cut the cards. Three cuts would be enough, we think. And again, we control it to the top. Right now, we tell the striker to make to pick a number between 20 to 40. We'll tell 20. It's great, yeah, because it's a short number. So like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You don't need the rest of it, so we put it here. And now we know that the spectator's card is at the bottom of the deck. We do an overhand shuffle look. We grab the pile with this hand, and with the other hand we grab the middle of the pile. And when we got to the last cards, we go one by one, look one by one, to control the spectator card to the top. Okay, here what we do again. Okay, as we said here again, we divide the pile into 3 pile again. The first pile. Yeah, the cards are low, so yeah. Again, we know that the spectator card is at the top of it's in the left pile. So what we need to do is right now tell the spectator to pick a pile. If they set any pile except this pile that the spectator card is, we tell them that we'll just put away the card, and we don't need it anymore. But if they set the pile that the card is in it, so we tell them we will remove the other piles and we just need this pile. So but we will tell you the if they told this pile that the spectator card is in, so that would be so easy, and you don't need these things that we want to say right now. So we assume that they say this pile, so we remove it. And again, we tell them you want to each pile where, I mean, this pile and this pile, or this pile and this pile. And for now, to be short, we just tell you that yeah, this one and this one, because if they told this one and this one, again we do the the pinky break and the cut, so we control them to the top. And yeah, let's do that. Here, this is the spectator card, and now we do a pinky break. So yeah, we just cut them again. And now we tell the spectator to pick a number between 10 to 20, or you can say 5 to 10 if you want the tree be shorter. We will say 5 to 10, and we will say 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't need the rest of it, so we do an overhand shuffle to control the bottom card, the spectator card, to the top, like this. This we should go one by one because the cards are low, and yeah, we control it to the top. Okay, and now again we tell them to pick a number between this time 1 to 6. They will say 3, 1, 2, 3. We will remove it, and again the spectator card is at the bottom card. And again, we should do a overhand shuffle to control it to the top. Even if you had 3 cards, you can just these 2 cards, you can grab it with each other and just release the bottom card to control to the top, like this. And now you'll say we will tell them pick a number between 1 to 3. If they say 2, then we will remove 2 card, and again we do that. And if they say 1, they will just their card and we put it here. Let's assume they say 2 to make everything better. So 1, 2, we will remove this one again. We do overhand shuffle to control the spectator card again to the top. So they will say just they have one number and it's 1. So they will say 1, and you will remove this one. And again, this is up to you. You can do anything that you want. Maybe yeah, you will tell I will think, and I think this is your card, or you can just tell them that I want to read your mind. Yeah, you can do it in many ways, and yeah, we will tell them it's 10 of clubs or any cards that they chose. So yeah, this is the magic and the tutorial. We hope that you like it and you enjoy it. Sorry it's so long, and maybe we have mistakes in our speaking actually, and day by day we are trying to improve them. So yeah, again, sorry if you had any question, just ask us. And
sorry for our mistakes, but we think that you have got what's the trick, and you can even make it more beautiful than what it is right now.
And as we said, if you have any question, just ask us in the comments. And actually, if you are new here, just we upload weekly, magic tricks like this or even cooler. So yeah, subscribe so you don't miss out any
And our videos, new videos.
So have a nice day.
And goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe.